what this is called Glide to the Top. Glide to the Top, guys. And this is Giles is playing game. He plays this is a year ago. And I decided to play it because she was enjoying it. So I joined the game. So I go to the game, but it wasn't Glide to the Top. Glide Tower. This is his favorite. But somehow it's kind of a little bit fun. Bye, guys. Anyways, happy Easter again.